Joseph, what are you doing?
I'm making a swimming pool so David can learn how to swim. I'm teaching him. This. Mommy, somebody don't want him.
David, look what I found. David, look what I found.
Charlie, what are you doing?
Look, David.
There's David. We're at the beach by his house, Pasadena, Maryland. It's June 2013. There's little Amelia putting her toes in the water. Joanna.
Look what I found!
What'd you find, David? Wow, a crab claw?
Look what I found! Wait.
There's one
Okay,
more.
the ones you find.
There's one more. Here.
Can I have that one?
Yes, you can. Be careful.
Why? You can have it. How did you find it?
It's just right here.
What is this?
I think the belly. That might be the crab's belly. Yep.
Look
that's
it.
crab's belly.
Oh, wow!
Side of them.
That's neat.
That's protecting the crab meat that we like.
Mom, look what I found.
Wow.
Found crab meat.
All right.
Crab's shell. Crab's body.
His leg.
Is this his meat?
No, that's just the shell.
What's this?
See, where's Elizabeth?
Crab.
Elizabeth!
Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Baby girl?
What are you doing, Elizabeth? You're making a sandcastle? Oh. Do you like the beach? Oh, there's a motorboat going by. Gonna make big waves for them. Who's making these cute sounds over here? Who is this?
I found something for my seashell
There's our little Annalisa. She turned 12 weeks old yesterday. Annalisa, you ready to get out? Here's the beautiful waves.